Hey everybody, I am so excited to be partnering with one of my favorite brands, Uncle Funky Starter, to create a simple and easy back to school look. I cannot believe it is that time of year already. Anyway, moving on, I am starting this on freshly washed hair that I've allowed to air dry for several hours. And I know it can be challenging to determine which products work best. So I recommend heading over to Target, getting this travel size kit, and that way you can try the smaller size before investing in the larger size. And we're only using 2 products from the kit. We're using the Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner Spray and the Super Curl Cream as our stylant. And once you've applied the products from roots to end, I'm going to use my detangle brush just to make sure my hair is nice and smooth before installing a 2-strand twist. Even though we're doing a chunky twist, I do want you to twist tightly because it is going to give some unravel once you finish the twist, and you'll see here I'm just going to twirl at the ends to create a curl, and once I let go it's going to unravel just a bit, which is why it's important to twist tightly, because you can see here my twists are nice and chunky, and all of that's just predicated on the amount of hair that I'm including in my twist. And so we're going to repeat this process for the remainder of my hair, just twisting tightly. First you want to apply the Midnight Train leave-in, followed by the Super Curl as my stylant. And here are my twists, nice and chunky. I have about 15 twists total. Now for that front section, I did install a flat twist just to kind of leave it there as a placeholder, but what I'm going to do is just install 2 small cornrows. If you don't know how to cornrow, you can do flat twist, or you can just simply twist your hair. And this is a simple way to add just a little bit more pizzazz to your look. Alright, my hair is all set and it is time for takedown. Same tip that I give on every video, you want to make sure your hair is 100% dry before unraveling your twist, and check out this definition. My curls are super bouncy and soft. Definitely recommend this combo. Make sure you try it. Again, you can go to Target and get that travel size kit before investing in full size products. Now that I have unraveled all of my twists, I'm going to do some light separation, starting at the roots and working my way down to the ends. I don't want to disturb the curls too much, but I do want some additional volume. Once you've unraveled and separated your twist, you can do some lifting at the roots with your fingers, or you can see here I am using my pick to just lift at the roots, not to disturb the curls. And I am so in love with my results. Super cute back to school look. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And you can also purchase these products online at unclefunkystarter.com and use discount code Sumetra for 15% off your order. I hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.